In this video, we are going to discuss a simple trick to remember or learn prime numbers from 1 to 100. First of all, what do you mean by prime numbers? Numbers having only two factors, that is 1 and number itself, are called prime numbers, and numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers. You can also remember it by the numbers which appear only in their own table are called prime numbers, and the numbers which appear in other tables also are called composite numbers. For example, 4. 4 comes in the table of 2 also. 6. Except the table of 6, 6 appears in the table of 2 and 3 also. So the numbers which appears in other tables also are composite numbers, and the numbers which appear in their own table only are called prime numbers. Important point to note here is 1 is neither prime nor composite, and another important point is 2 is only even prime number. Other prime numbers you will observe that are odd. So let's start how we are going to remember numbers, prime numbers from 1 to 100. Here you can see I have written numbers from 1 to 100 on a paper. Please observe I have written only 6 numbers in a line. So to remember by this trick, please write only 6 numbers in a line. Now I know that 1 is neither prime nor composite. I am going to cut 1. 2 is my prime number. So we are going to just keep on circling the prime numbers. And 3 is also prime number. So I am going to circle 3 also. Next my prime number is 5. Okay. So you have to remember that 2, 3 and 5 are your prime numbers. Next observe the numbers that are written below 2 are all divisible by 2, or we can say these all numbers appear in the table of 2. So these all are my composite numbers. I am going to cut them out. Now observe the numbers written below 3. All these numbers appear in the table of 3. So these are all also my composite numbers. I am going to cut them out. Observe the column of 4. 4, 10, 16, 22. All these numbers appear in the table of 2. So all of these are also composite numbers. Cut them out. Observe the column of 6. It is simply the table of 6. All of these numbers appear in the table of 6. See here, 6 ones are 6, 2s are 12, 3 times 6, 18, 4 times 6, 24. It is simply the table of 6. So all of these are also composite numbers. I am going to cut this column also. Now start observing diagonally. Wherever there is a number ending with 5. Okay. 25, 20, 15, 10. All of these appear in the table of 5. Means these are also composite numbers. Start cutting diagonally now. 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30. All of these are divisible by 5. So these are my composite numbers. Cut them diagonally. Next diagonally cutting will be of 85, 80, 75 and 60. Next observe 100, 95. Now observe here. 7 is my prime number, so I am going to circle it. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. All these come in the table of 7. So I am going to cut the table of 7 diagonally. Next number which appears in the table of 7, 49. Start cutting again diagonally the table of 7, 77, 84. Next number which will appear in the table of 7 will be 91. So 91 and 98 also cut it. So the simple trick is first cut all the numbers written below 2, 3, 4 and 6. Then start cutting diagonally the numbers ending with 5 or the numbers that are coming in the table of 5, and then cut diagonally the numbers coming in the table of 7. The numbers that are left are all your prime numbers. So what are my prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31. Next is 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73. Next is 79, 83, 89 and 90.